Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world.
Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. We are in the car on our way to Animal Kingdom. Even though we're going to Epcot today, we couldn't get a park reservation for Epcot, so we are going to Animal Kingdom to literally tap in and then head to Epcot. It is 12:48. If you watched last week's vlog, I was so tired in the evening. I fell asleep so hard last night. Set my alarm for 9, woke up at 11. So we have taken it slowly this morning. We walked the dog, and now we are ready to head out. So we are headed to Animal Kingdom and then to Epcot. It is just starting to rain, and I think it's gonna rain for the whole day. So Epcot is arguably the worst park that we could be going to for this, but we wanna see Kenz at work, and we want to eat flower and garden food. So we're gonna give it a go. We might be making rain jacket purchases, but let's see.
On your right, Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Walk up that way?
Okay, so we literally just got here. We'll walk up this way. We literally just got here and the rain stopped, so that is a miracle. We're gonna literally go in, tap in, buy me a rain jacket, go to the bathroom, and then come back. So see you in a second. Okay, here we go. We're going to tap in.
Saturday, everything is open. You would just have to check reservations. So, can you place your finger up here for me? Hold on, tap it, get pictures. So for Saturday, that's what I'm seeing. One second. Right here. Yeah, for Saturday, everything is open except Magic Kingdom. Perfect, you're all set.
Thank you. Okay, I'm vlogging on the phone because it's rainy, but we are in Animal Kingdom and we're actually going in because I want to get a rain jacket. It's also like 60 degrees, which I was not planning for.
After what was it, last park?
It was like 94 with 100% humidity. So I wasn't planning for that. So we're gonna go get a rain jacket, take a little picture, and then we're gonna go to Epcot finally.
Bird, look this way. Pretty bird, Cracker. Hey, Cracker.
Mom. Hello. Okay.
That was fast.
That was fun. Didn't find a jacket that I wanted. Saw a parrot. Now we're out of here. All right, this is just a warning that this vlog is just gonna be me looking continuously more disheveled. The hair's gonna have to go up. Straightening it was a big mistake, but we're at Epcot and we're just gonna buzz in. And the skies opened up as we were going to the car, but they seem to be calming down now, so fingers crossed we get in dry. Oh, this is my old commute. Did you guys know I worked here? Okay, so we're in the car now. And we're just gonna hang out for a sec, because this is wild. And we parked right by the side, so we'll be able to get in easily, but I think we need a minute. Alright, so we're currently cloud watching and waiting for that bit to go away. And then we're gonna dash in. I didn't find a jacket at Animal Kingdom, so I'm just in my dress But once that light patch comes and it's just a light rain, we're gonna go and run to Creation so I can grab like a poncho or something and then go to Nemo. I have a question, and my question is, how do people look good in these? Someone fix this for me. Tell me what to do. Look what I found! What are you doing?
I am doing wheelchair assist 1.
Nice. Okay. Mom's never tried the Beverly, so we're here. And we're a little wet. Okay, here you go. You gotta try it.
What is this?
The Beverly, it's from Italy.
Tastes like medicine. It's interesting. Interesting to try.
It even smells. Ugh. I forgot how bad that is. That was Beverly.
It tastes like medicine.
Ew. Okay, I got the camera back. It's finally not raining, and this whole afternoon was like shambles. It was pouring, and then it wasn't, and then it was, and so we are like in and out of being very disheveled. But now we saw Kenz. We went to Nemo. We rode Spaceship Earth because there's a table on it that Mom is convinced is hers, and actually she does have it. And now we are in World Showcase. We're just getting into World Showcase to have a look at all the topiaries and start to finally eat some food. Okay, obviously we had to start with frozen lemonade. Mom's first time. You like it?
It's not bad at all.
I said frozen lemonade, but I meant violet lemonade. But look how light it is. And they didn't give us the flour. Boo. Okay, we're at the Honey Bistro, and that is our lemonade from before. That is the Orange Blossom Honey Wine. This is the cornbread, and then we got the honey mustard marinated lavender chicken flatbread. And we are hungry. Let's try the wine.
What did you say? You need a fork? Did they have forks?
Do we? Yeah, they do have forks. This is really nice. It's very smooth and very sweet. I wouldn't drink a lot of it. The paper straw is not it. The flatbread is really good. It's good, isn't it?
Okay, there's gonna come in rain.
Yeah. I had this one last year.
This is good.
But the cornbread looks nice. I don't know what's on top of it, like a cream. It's crispy.
But I wanted to have food in my belly before the ride.
That's really good. Love it. Yay. Now we're at Northern Bloom at Canada, and we got, it's really hard to see, but this is the beef tenderloin tips and mashed potatoes. I had them last year. They're really good.
I'll go get it.
Okay. She just launched beef at me. Okay, so we are very obviously in the UK pavilion. However, I have been made aware that the UK pavilion's architecture is designed to represent all 4 nations, and I truly cannot figure out what building represents what. So if anyone knows, please drop it in the comments because I need to know. It all looks like England to me. Don't hate me. I love the garden by Tinkerbell. It like lights up. It looks like there's pixie dust everywhere and like little fairy huts. And then there's Tink. But look how cute it is. It reminds me of the little like Christmas market ceramic incense houses that they sell. Okay, it's time. Here we go. Okay, I love the wallpaper, but I think like the decor is so boring. There's like nothing until you get further into the queue. Gustos. Okay, your second time on Ratatouille, second? As a motion sick individual, what would you say?
There's definitely times like when it drops or you're running through the restaurant that it gets a little aggressive and I have to close my eyes or squint.
But when you close your eyes,
I'm okay. Like, or when I was squinting, so I can still see some of it, but it's got to be more casual that I can do it.
thank you.
On a full stomach.
On a full stomach and no drinks. Now it's time for
That's
drinks.
a definite no.
Okay, I got the violet sake from Japan. This is like a year-round offering, not a festival offering. It's at the Garden House, so like just in front of the exit to the gift shop. But RJ raves about this and I've never had it, so we're gonna try it. That's good. Wow. Come try it.
Working for you?
Come try. It's really nice. It's sweet. It doesn't taste like alcohol. I feel like it's a little dangerous. Yeah.
It's very, very, very sweet. And
Like a
I like
headache.
sweet, but it's like wicked sweet.
Probably a headache.
What is it? It tastes like a melted
Yeah, it does.
candy.
Like a syrup, like a...
Like Jolly Rancher. It tastes like a melted Jolly
yeah,
Rancher.
yeah, it does. Like a grape one.
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly it.
I like it. Well done, RJ. This was $11.
That's exactly what it tastes like.
All right, so we were looking for the moonshine sour and could not figure it out. The entrance to Regal Eagle is right there, but it's at the walk-up bar outside. So you come to this section that's just at like the end of the America Pavilion, and they have it and like several other specialty cocktails as well. But Kenz has been telling us to try the moonshine sour for a little while now. All right, we got the moonshine sour. Mom's singing the tunes. Thoughts?
It's killer good.
We've only had like one drink. She's like,
No, yeah, like once.
and she's gone. And she's gone.
Stop.
Okay,
I don't know.
all this to
why I
say
have the
is
giggles.
it's really good. I love it. I think this is my favorite drink that I've had so far today.
I already said I'd be annihilated if I drank it all and I've had it.
She's well on her way. Time for Frozen. Woo.
Come on, I know you do. This is making magic winter show. It's summer snow for Sandy and
The world is alive. With music. Voices calling out in search of one another. We find each other in song. To lift the human spirit, set the song inside you soaring, and the whole wide world will hear it.
But what does that mean? The whole wide world will hear it. What does that mean?
She is cute.
Yeah, I am.
This is my least favorite color scheme though.
I like the flower and garden.
I like the silver. Do it, go silver. Do it. Okay, we got her for fireworks. And now we're leaving.
See you next time.
What was your pit and peak of me being here?
Pit was the flight being delayed and Mom fake surprising. And then peak was Magic Kingdom, even though it was really hot.
Really hot. Nice. All right.
See you real soon.
All right, we're back in the car. It's 9:40. Harmonious was at 9 o'clock. We just like walked back and then said goodbye to Kenz, obviously, and now we have to get home. So my flight is at 12:30 tomorrow. There's not gonna be anything to vlog, so I'm just gonna wrap everything up here. But first, pit and peak. That lighting is really pink of the trip.
Well, the pit was that the other day at the parks we were sweating, and today it was raining all day.
Yeah, the weather was
so the weather wasn't cooperating. The peak was that you kind of sort of surprised me, but surprise or no surprise, the point is you came to visit, and that was the best part.
All right, I'll take it, even though it wasn't a surprise. My pit was probably also the weather. It really messed with me, and I struggled a lot. And also, I guess everyone being busy yesterday, I got to see my family, which was nice. And my peak was not the surprise. It could have been.
If it was a surprise.
It went nicely. But probably just getting to be here, honestly, because I didn't think I was going to be here until recently, until like 2 weeks ago. And yeah, just seeing my family. And yeah, my cousin who's down here asked me to be her bridesmaid. That was like a non-Disney thing, so I didn't share it, but it was really sweet, and she like laid out all these pictures for me of like when we were little, so that was really cute. So yeah, a lot of peaks, and the weather was a big pit. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap things up here. If you joined along for this, thank you for following along this kind of like chaotic mess of a vlog series, if you want to call it that. I did my best, but I find that when the weather is bad, my willingness to take out the camera is like zero, especially when it's really hot. So did my best, but yeah, I'm glad I could take you guys along with me. I don't know when I'm gonna be back. I'm thinking maybe if Guardians opens up in May, I'll take like a sneaky trip down. But yeah, stay tuned on this channel. I'm sure I'll pop up. But until then, thank you so much for watching this whole thing. Please, as always, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. It means a lot to me as a creator. And until next time, I will see you real soon. Good night.
Bye.